Hi, just want to talk about some blades or propellers I bought from Banggood.com for the Mavic Air. You get two in a box, left and right. They cost about £3 for a pair. Let's open this up. So they're £3 for a pair, and they're supposed to be carbon composite. So I've got an original. I've got an original DJI blade here. So I'm just going to put them side by side. Maybe you can see those. Well, basically they're more or less identical just by looking at them, but they're actually slightly different. And I've put a micrometer on them. So that's the that's the DJI one, that's the Banggood one. So just put them there. So basically I've put a micrometer on both of them. The propeller from Banggood is slightly bigger by by 1 or 2 millimeters all the way across from tip to tip, and in the thickest part in the middle there. It's only negligible, but there is a difference. Now, the Banggood ones are slightly more bendy as well. You can feel it. You can feel it on the end. You can feel it in the middle compared to the DJI one. It feels a lot more stiffer. As I said, I'm not sure if these are carbon composite or not. They could be fake, I don't know. But it's slightly bigger, like I said, than the overall size. It fits perfectly on the Mavic Air, so there's no problem there. I'm just going to weigh them, because that can make a considerable difference. Because I'm sure these are lighter. So we'll weigh the DJI one first, which is the original DJI. And that actually comes, you probably can't see that, but that comes to 2.4 grams. That's the DJI one. The Banggood one, I've got a feeling it's slightly less weight. That is 1.9. So there's a difference there in weight. So when you think about it, you've got 4 Banggood props on. There is a weight saving efficiency there, so you're probably going to get a little bit more flight time, whether that's 10 seconds or 20 seconds. But that could be important if you're flying in a headwind coming back. Every second counts, as they say. So I'm gonna put these on. I'm not gonna fly them just yet because I need a nice calm day. But when I fly them, I'll let you know. I'm hoping there's a difference in sound, but I doubt it. It should be definitely a difference in flight time, even though it may be only like 10, 15 seconds or 20 seconds. So what I'll do, I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, bought these from Banggood from China. They cost £3, so obviously I've got 4, so it's £6 for 4. If you do break a blade, the original blades, because they are slightly different, don't mix and match them, because you might have weird vibrations in your quadcopter. So if you're going to use DJI blades, put 4 of them on. If you're going to use the Banggood blades, use all 4 Banggood blades. Don't mix and match them. It's not a good policy to do that. Like I said, I put a link in the description to these blades. Quite cheap. I've not tested them yet, but I'll probably do another video once I've done the test on them, so you can see if they're any good or not. Like I said, are they carbon composite? I don't know. They could be, they might not be. I hope they are, and I hope they work out. Okay, thanks for watching.